ayun na mga master, magandang araw sa inyo. magandang araw sa inyo. Happy New Year. Happy Chinese New Year sa inyo.
Yung heat.
Sir, Kong Hee Pachoy. Sir Willard, kasama natin dito. Ano nga ba ang kailangan na, ano nga ba ang ano natin ngayon? Ang episode natin ngayon. Itong pinagkaiba ng Continental GP5000 tsaka
GP5000 ASTR. It's the new, basically it's the latest line of tires that they have.
okay, anong ano to sir? Pang race style to, di ba?
So the difference is yung
Race style tsaka ito yung everyday, ordinary.
explain ko sa'yo, it's like yung line of tires that they have, there's all kinds of different cyclists in the world, diba? Lahat sila may different preference, kaya different uses. So yung ginagamit nila, yung ginawa ni Continental, 3 different kinds of tires of the same GP5000 line.
Okay, ito yung GP5000 lines.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, so there's 3 different kinds. This is the ito yung STR, ito yung base version. So it's the same as the GP5000 before, but
Pag sinabing base version, sir, ano yung pag sinabing base version?
yeah, yan yung most basic version, the one that everyone wants to get.
Ordinary na. Okay.
Yeah. So I think the claim to fame of these tires ginamit ni Pogacar sa Tour de France last year.
Ito.
And yeah, yung basically the entire UAE Team Emirates road bikes ginagamit nila. This one, it's not this size, 32C kasi to, 28C and 30C pala to. So 30C ginamit niya and 28C ginamit yung rest of his team. There it is. Pero
Dapat naman yung 30cc ginamit niya.
yan ginagamit nila. There's new science to go
Di ba
into.
23, 35 eh?
I remember ko 23C pa. Yan.
Talaga,
Okay.
oo.
For the new science is yung wider tire does not the extra weight is not does not affect your performance too much. Meanwhile, the extra stability and protection you get from it is
Sa mga
better.
banking, no? Sa mga ordering, no?
So the trend now is towards wider tires. now.
Okay.
But, yeah.
So, ibig sabihin, sir, ito muna tayo. Basically, ito, saan purpose tong GP5000 na to?
STR.
Itong STR to, STR.
Yeah, we'll put this together. So
Okay.
STR, ito yung sa gitna, it's the good middle version na if you're in doubt, you can't go wrong with this. Okay.
Pang everyday, pwede daw. Everyday.
Yeah. And then this one naman,
This one.
ASTR.
ESTR.
ASTR.
ASTR na Continental. Pang road bike to, mga master. Pang road bike.
Lahat ng GP5000 pang road bike.
Pang road bike.
So yung ASTR is AS stands for all season.
All season. Okay.
So all season is yung meaning yan is the idea behind it is na if you're using it for maximum durability. Okay. May spectrum yan. There's speed on one side, durability on the other. So ito STR sa gitna siya.
Ay, bagay pala sa atin itong ASTR kasi kung all season kasi dito sa atin, sa umaga, araw, sa hapon, maulan. Pwede talaga sa atin to, no?
Ganyan yan. The idea is maximum durability. So the idea is na if you want the least doubt na if ever masuffer ka ng puncture or pinch flat or anything,
Okay.
this is what you go for. Okay. Yeah, it's
kasi ano yung features niya? Bakit ganun?
yeah, it's makita mo dito, I don't know makita sa camera.
Ito kung makikita niyo sa camera.
Yeah. If you compare the features here, yung coating and yung lining of the walls and everything, you'll see na this one is lighter, this one is more durable. Okay, yeah.
Okay,
So
yun pala
it
yun.
depends on what you want from a tire. Okay.
Okay,
So yung suggestion nila, gamitin mo to sa training and then yung the other tire kasi di ko dinala dito yung
okay lang, no
yung
problem.
TTTR,
Next na.
yan yung gamitin mo sa race.
Next. So, ibig sabihin, basically, ito pang everyday na pang road bike. Halimbawa, kung ikaw ay nag-ride, long ride.
Yeah, if you're not the top 1% of all right, who can be like that, you can't go wrong with this. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
The one I recommend for this one kasi ito yung budget friendly, and then this one slightly more expensive.
Okay. GP5000, how much naman to, sir?
This one's retail for 4,300.
4,300 isang piraso.
Yeah, for GP5000 STR. Dapat check mo dito STR. Okay.
STR
Kasi
dapat, GP5000 STR.
Yeah, yung
Okay.
previous version wala pa tong STR.
So, ibig sabihin, 8,000 plus, dalawa.
Yeah, pwede.
Dalawa, no? Kasi isa, 4,000 eh. Tama ba ako?
4,300.
4,300. So, 8,600 sa pair. Okay? So, dito naman tayo sa ASTR, sir. Ito naman. Magkano naman to?
5,000.
5,000. So, ibig sabihin, ayun nga yung sinasabi ni sir na mas may pressure ng konti ito. So, 5,000. So, 10,000 sa dalawa. Kung kayo ay talagang road bike enthusiast, talagang Continental. Sir, andito ako ngayon sa etong marami nagtatanong, marami nag-PPM, huwag po kayo mag-PM sa akin. Nilalagay ko naman yung Facebook nila, Speed Trail Cycle Center. Sila po yung dating Newton. Okay, sila po yung dating Newton. So, lumipat po sila dito sa number, 18 Miller Avenue, okay, sa Barangay Bungat, sa Del Pilar, Quezon City. Project 7, type nyo lang, makikita nyo. Speed Trail, malalaman nyo na kagad kung nasan sila. Okay, sir, invite mo sila kung nasan tayo ngayon.
Yeah, we're here at our bike shop, Speedtail Cycle Center, 18 Miller Avenue. We're open Monday to Saturday, 9 to 5 p.m.
Oh, kita nyo, 9 to 5 p.m.
And we put a big sign with lights at the back of, so you can, out front of our bike shop. So you can
Para
see.
makita nyo na kagad. Napakadali lang dito. Promise.
And unlike our previous location, it's easier to park here.
Tama, napakalaki ng parking nila. Tsaka, hindi lang ito mga master, hindi lang ito. Subaybayan nyo pa, marami pa tayong i-review na GP tires, na Continental tires, iba't iba. Mountain bike, enduro bikes, tsaka pang road bike, pang racing. Dito lang yan sa Speed Cycle Center. Maraming salamat! Brian Natan, mahirapan pa yung gusto ko. Ako po si Papa Jack at kasama ko si Sir Willard. Andito po kami ngayon sa Speed Trail Cycle Center. Salamat!
Thank you.